Hello children, welcome you in the chemistry class. Children, you have to study about soft water and hard water. Water is in two forms. One is soft and other is hard. Which water is called soft water? The water which readily form lither. You know lither. Lither, its other name is suds, or it is also called froth. So the water which readily form lither with soap is called soft water. So which one is the soft water? You have not to say the water which is soft. Water is not soft. Here water is soft when it is producing, it is forming lither with water, with lither with soap. You take water and soap. On mixing together, lither is formed. Then water is soft. Here, rain water has taken, and this is the liquid soap. In the rain water, liquid soap is added. Then form many suds. It means lither is produced. This rain water is soft water. But when liquid soap is added in the river water, or you can take, there are some spring water, lake water, in that we see lither is not formed, or very little lither is produced. That is the hard water. So in the simple way you can say water which readily form lither with soap is called soft water. Water which does not readily form lither with the soap, that is called hard water. Next is what are the causes of hardness? Hardness of water is due to presence of hydrogen carbonate. Hardness of water is due to presence of hydrogen carbonate. Carbonate of calcium and magnesium, or sulfate of calcium and magnesium. Chloride of calcium and magnesium. It means in the water, if calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Any one from this, any one salt is present in the water. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Any one from this present in the water, that water is called hard water. If these salts are not present in the water, that water is called soft water. So clear, soft water, in the soft water these salts are not present. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. These salts are not present in the water. The water is soft. If any one from this present in the water, then water is hard. If water is hard, then hardness of water, why is the water hard? Due to presence of bicarbonate, chloride or sulfate of calcium and magnesium. Now you have to see hardness of water. There are two types of hardness. One is temporary hard. Hardness of water is of two types. It is clear to you why the water is hard. Water is hard because in the water calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride. From this, any salt is present in the water, then water is hard. Now hardness of water is of two types. Hardness of water is two types. So which are the two types of hardness? One is temporary hardness and other is permanent. So children, you have to learn hardness of water is of two types, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Hardness of water is of two types, temporary hardness and permanent hardness. So when is the temporary hardness? So you have to learn temporary hardness is due to presence of calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. Any one from this CaHCO3 calcium bicarbonate, MgHCO3 magnesium bicarbonate. It is also called calcium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Any one from this present in the water is temporary hard. Temporary hardness of water is due to presence of calcium hydrogen carbonate or magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Now you see permanent hardness. Permanent hardness, permanent hardness. Why the water is permanently hard? If in the water calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, CaCl2 calcium chloride, MgCl2 magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate CaSO4, magnesium sulfate, any one from this present in the water, either chloride of calcium and magnesium or sulfate of calcium and magnesium present in the water, then water is permanent hard. Permanent hardness of water is due to presence of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. So why we are saying here, if calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 present in the water, then why it is called temporary hard? Or magnesium bicarbonate MgHCO3 present in the water, then temporary hard? Its reason is this type of hardness or hardness due to presence of hydrogen carbonate can be removed just by boiling. When water is boiled, in the water calcium bicarbonate is present, it break into calcium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And when it break into calcium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide, hardness of water disappear or temporary hardness of water is removed. Magnesium bicarbonate, when you are boiling, magnesium bicarbonate break into magnesium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. So here hardness is removed by boiling. So the hardness of water which is removed by boiling, that is temporary hard. And temporary hardness of water is due to presence of calcium hydrogen carbonate or magnesium hydrogen carbonate. But permanent hardness of water is due to presence of calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, and that cannot be removed by boiling. So that's why it is called permanent hardness of water.